Hello and welcome to the second part of the hella-gutmann Megamax training series. In this section we will learn how to do a vehicle selection. Once you have the machine set to your preferences and ready to work on a vehicle, there are many different ways that we can get the vehicle set up into the machine. However, until you have set a vehicle in the machine, none of the other diagnostic or information functions will work. So it is important that we set a vehicle first. The first way that I can do this is to use my vehicle database. I pick a manufacturer. I pick the type of vehicle it is. I pick it from the various engine codes. And then I add a license plate number. The reason it is important to add a license plate number or some type of number is this is how your car history will be recorded. So I can add anything that I want as long as I know that I can go back into it later on and take a look at the vehicle. Once I add my license plate number, you will notice that up here at the top, the machine is now set for the particular vehicle that I chose. When I click on that, it will also tell me some information about the vehicle, and it will tell me what the tool can do to the vehicle during operation. Another way that I can select a vehicle is to go back and look into my car history. If I have a vehicle back in my history that I have already previously set in, I can double click on it, and now my vehicle is set. Your car history will never go away as long as you give it some type of identifier on that license plate screen. You will always be able to go in and bring that car back up, as that information is held in our server in Germany, not in the tool itself. I can also do a VIN identification on the vehicle. I will tell it what kind of vehicle is attached to, and it will go in there. It will take the VIN number from the mode 9 once I connect with the vehicle, and then it will give me what type of vehicle it is. Unfortunately, at this point in time, I am not connected to a vehicle, so I cannot get a read on the VIN number. So we'll cancel out of that. I can do a vehicle search in my database. There are different ways to do this, either by VIN or by car history. Or finally, I can set the tool to simply do OBD, which means that I can pick a generic gasoline vehicle and work on virtually any car that I choose to work on. If, by the way, you do not want to save a vehicle in history, simply click through a second time with the check mark and it will set it up. Note that in this case, the only thing I can do is to pull fault codes, parameters, or mode data from the vehicle. And that's all there is to selecting the vehicle. Remember that once the vehicle is selected into the tool, everything the tool will show you from that point forward is specific to that vehicle.